Choose SUNHUNK. Experience world-class cold chain logistics solutions. There's a saying widely circulated in the industry: for high-end refrigerated trucks, choose SUNHUNK. Why, you ask? These 5 advantages will tell you. 1. High insulation, open cell foaming. Equipment controlled by program. The whole foaming, insulation, pressure maintaining process is fully automated, ensuring the flatness and insulation of the entire panel. 2. High strength. The bottom plate uses T6 high-strength aluminum profile, automatically welded in one pass by an 8 welding track machine. High strength, good load bearing, meeting the needs of forklift loading and unloading. 3. High aesthetic value. Pre-coated metal plate used, overall simplicity, elegant appearance. 4. Lightweight. The body is over 500 kilograms lighter than steel boxes, helping to haul more goods or save fuel. 5. Environmentally friendly. Internationally recognized green foaming agent, cyclopentane foaming agent. Inner skin complies with US FDA food grade standards. Hardware, all 304 stainless steel food grade materials. Outer skin aluminum plate, weather resistance plus UV resistance plus corrosion resistance. SUNHUNK provides users with high insulation, high strength, high aesthetic value, lightweight, environmentally friendly products for high-end refrigerated trucks. More people choose SUNHUNK.